Ladies and gentlemen, right now it's currently summertime, so a lot of you are traveling, a lot of you are going to and from, living everyday life, and I have some sweet wallet options for you guys today. This is by the company Ekster. If you're not familiar with Ekster, they make all sorts of different colors for minimalistic wallets. They have leather ones, which we're going to show you in just a second here, aluminum, carbon fiber. Now, before we do get into these, in the description box right below the video will be your discounted link, and for you, the viewer, will get a discount on your purchase. If you want to look at all their different wallets, colors, definitely look at that top link in the description box below. Now let's get into it. And these are perfect for international travel, so you don't have a big wallet hanging out of the back of your pocket or in the front of your pocket, a bifold. You ladies can downgrade your wallet, shove your cards, your driver's license, etc. in these as well. Tucking these into a smaller shoulder bag or purse as well. Men, you can put these in your front pocket or back pocket in a safe area where you're not worried. Or now that men are carrying around man bags, little fanny packs around their chest, this can slip in there for garage sailing, for taking hikes. You guys get the idea. All right, first and foremost, let me show you the aluminum, which is going to be the same setup as the carbon fiber, but this one is aluminum to the carbon fiber. This holds your cards right here in your push button. You got your cash strap, flipping it around to your RFID protection technology. Expansion plate, you can put more cash or cards underneath the expansion plate. And Ekster, this is what they're known for, just a beautiful display of your cards with a push button below. It fans all your cards out like this. You grab the one from the top, you push it back down, you grab the one from the bottom. If you need one in the middle, go ahead and grab it like this, pop them down like that, shove your cash right here. Let's show you an example of it loaded up with cards. Before we do, these bands are a little tight when you first get the wallet. They'll kind of wear in a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the band off for just a second here. So we have our expanding plate right here. There's our little card that explains that. And then you can see the carbon fiber a little bit better on both sides, looking real sharp. Very subtle Ekster logo on the edge that's away from the button right here. And that fills, that's a good texture to it as well. I like that. So again, you can have your cards right here. You can also have your expansion plate, and you can put that expansion plate on this side or this side, and you can put the band however you want. So if you rather have like the band on that side with your push button right here, or vice versa, you could have it right here. I'll leave that up to you. So I got my plate on. Again, you could tuck more cards. You could hide cash underneath here as well. Some cards loaded up right here. Now, obviously, I won't show my license or credit card, but for the purpose of this video, I got my Costco card on this side here. So your most used card, go ahead and put it on the front so it's easier access, or your most used card on the back so you'd be able to flip that out real easily. Tuck that in. You go to pay at the gas station, boom. And again, I'm just kind of shoving them back as I'm pulling it out because I don't want my credit cards on camera. But you guys get the idea. So you fan them out, and they come out in all the different areas here. So your license is right here. But again, my most used debit card, I would just pull it right off the top like this here, fling that out, and then you could tuck that back in. I got my shopper's card on the back right here, pull that out. And sometimes it is kind of easier to tuck it back in if it's out, as we can see right here. So like the back one, if you have them still pulled out, then it's easier to shove it back in, as we can see right there. So out, in, I think you guys get the idea there. Let's go ahead and take a look at their leather one here. This is another great option for international travel or everyday use as well. So this is a beautiful leather, cognac color of leather. We have beautiful stitching all the way around here and here. An embossed gold logo for the Ekster logo there. We have our push button right here, which you do have access with the flap shut or with the flat open. And this is where the Parliament wallet gets really juicy here. You have two slots here and here for cash, cards, coupons. I love my coupons. I'm not going to be hating on coupons. Your Costco gift card, your free Dairy Queen ice cream coupon, whatever it might be. Cash strap is right here. It's a nylon strap, as we can see. Ekster logo right on top right here, stitched in nicely. And then, of course, your push button is accessible on the inside or on the outside, as we can see right here. So again, you can go ahead and remove your cards from the outside with it closed, or open it up and flip it out and then pop it back in when you're ready to go. On the back, we have a nice little slot right here as well. So other folks can have, you know, their cash right here, you name it, you just got an extra slot there and 2 extra slots right here. If you are wondering, this is a complete unit, so this is not detachable from this portion here. They do sell a Senate wallet, which is just this portion minus the flap. The flap makes it a Parliament wallet, not to mention the extra pocket on the rear. The Senate does not have that. It's literally just this with a cash strap for a more minimalistic leather look if you prefer that. So let's take a look at it here. We have our cards right here. Boom, whip it out, pop it back in, whip it out, and let's go ahead and show you that nicely. This is what makes Ekster so sick. You push the button and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 cards. Let's grab my thick crypto.com steel card. And so now we have 5 cards and a steel card in there as well. And then of course for garage sales, take a look at that. Now, you know what? I was garage selling the other week and they actually are starting to use Venmo for payments. And so cash is definitely being phased out, but it is nice. I still use cash every once in a while, but it is nice having that, of course. If you don't use cash, you could, of course, slip something else, whatever it might be, fishing license, you name it, right in there like that, accessible to your cards from the front or back. Now, once again, I just gave you a few different options. Beach day, you name it. It's a great wallet for everyday use or traveling. Because if you do international traveling, you will most likely have cash unless you're using all card, but a lot of beach towns and small little surf areas and stuff like that only take cash. They don't take cards. There's no processing internet power. So in the world, you still use cash. So it's nice that they all do come with a cash strap as well. Once again, any color you want, use my discounted link, top link in the description box below. Pick up your discount, pick up your wallet, grab one for a friend, grab one for a relative. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, tech-related videos, DIY home projects, van life builds, and more. Once again, your link is below. We'll see you on the next one. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.